Ugly blue skies can go dark, and gentle wind grows strong. Suddenly fears is like white water pounding on the soul. Still we sail knowing that our Lord is in control. Sometimes He calms the storm with a whispered peace, be still. He can settle any sea, but it doesn't mean He will. Sometimes He holds us close, lets the wind and waves go wild. Sometimes He calms the storm, and other times He calms His child.
Forgiveness. And we were really humbled down by the Lord, because during those times we could do really nothing but just hang on to Him in prayers and hope for His faithfulness, His grace, His mercy. And we started to sing still over and over again, singing at the top of our voices, debris flying, debris falling down, debris hitting the walls, hitting the surroundings, and even cars sounding alarms, and it was really scary. And we waited for almost 5 hours, just sitting down and praying, singing, waiting for the wind to stop. And we were saying, Lord, please stop. Gusto lang. And last time, 4 hours ang iyawaswas. So pag medyo doon nag-lay low na siya, kita na naman sa window ang malaki kay before, hindi gidya, wala, zero visibility gidya ang surroundings outside sa aming balay. There was 2 men, and as a little boy came to our room. It was my son's friend, his co-worker with Gets Farmer, and damo siya. Pilas cuts like ginhiwas ng knife pala. I don't know kung anong nakapila siya. Siguro mga flying debris all over his body. His son was black and blue in his other eye. And my first reaction was, I really cried because wala kami maskin scratch or ano man lang. Grabe ang pag-protect sa Ginoo.
He has a reason for each trial that we pass through in life. And though we're shaken, we cannot be pulled apart from Christ. No matter how the driving rain beats down those who hold to faith, a heart of trust will always be a quiet, peaceful place. Sometimes He calms the storm with a whisper, peace, be still. He can settle any sea, but it doesn't mean He will. Sometimes He holds us close, lets the wind and waves go wild. Sometimes He calms the storm, and other times He calms His child.
Words cannot describe how grateful and thankful I am, and my family, how He has preserved us, protected us through all those days and even our travel back to Macau. So, ka-amazing grace ang Lord. Kada giho na manara siya. Ka-provide siya sa needs ng signal mo, ay grabe, nothing is really impossible with God. When God moves, all things are being put into place for His children. Kanawin namin through us, people will see how faithful the Lord is, how His grace, love, and mercy surpasses all our understanding. Just say that in whatever storm that we are encountering in our lives, let us not lose hope and continue to look up, because we will be surprised how the Lord will move and just answer all our concerns and even do miracles in our lives. Thank you.